Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to write your first paragraph with a title, with a paragraph tag, with a link, an image, and a list. Okay? This time I'm going to talk about myself. I'm going to write about myself. I'm going to introduce myself as a teacher. So the first thing you have to do is make a folder. Okay? So I'm going to make a new folder. And this new folder is going to be, of course, introduction. So now that I have my folder ready, I'm going to go to the Studio Code, open the Studio Code, the Visual Studio Code. You're going to click on File and open the folder. And you're going to look for the place, the location where you opened your folder. I have it under here, HTML course. And introduction. I click on introduction and select the folder. And when I open it, let's just give it a second. It's right here. It says introduction. This is my folder. And pay attention to this, very important. You're gonna make a new file. Make a new file. Click on new file and you're going to write index.html. Why index? Because it is going to be the main file of the folder. This is where everything is going to be stored. The structure of my introduction is going to be here on the index file. Okay, so this is where I'm going to start writing my code. So God bless me, this is my whole new project for everyone. I'm going to share with everyone. But this is where my new project begins. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna show you step by step what goes into the code. I have a little shortcut here where I put an exclamation mark, and if you have Visual Studio Code, all it's gonna do is when you click on exclamation mark and hit on enter, it's gonna show you some code, and this is the whole structure you're gonna have for the code. But for now, all I want to do is start step by step, so I show you how it is done. Okay, so the first thing you have to type is here, doc type HTML, because it is the kind of document you're going to be writing. So don't forget to write this. And I'm going to show you step by step every part of the code. This is called a tag. This is called a tag. Look, so it's got an opening. This is an opening tag, and this is a closing tag. So this is the structure of the elements. Here we're going to be describing elements, and the elements is the structure of the page, and the elements are enclosed in tags. So what does the browser do? What do browsers do, like Google Chrome and Internet Explorer? They read the tags and they get the information from those tags, from those elements, and it shows you a whole website. Okay, so for now I'm just gonna do my trick, exclamation mark, enter, and I'm gonna show you the tags. The first one is HTML. Okay, the HTML tag. Look, so if I erase this, it shows you that I can get rid of the language for now. So look, opening HTML, closing HTML. Okay, so look, we have an opening tag over here, and then you close it. This is like less than and greater than sign, and all you have to do is write HTML like this. Let me just erase it. Less than HTML, close. Automatically it shows me the closing, because it means that here, inside here, I want to be putting content. This one is different. This one doesn't have a closing tag, but keep it in mind that you always have to write it as a protocol. Okay, so we're always going to leave it right here. So inside this HTML, this is all the content of our first page, the introduction page. So here we also have a less than, head, close. Automatically it shows me the the closing head. Head is like meta information. It means that you're not gonna see that information on your page. And for now, I'm just gonna leave it empty. And here, this is another one, a very important one. Less than, and we write body, greater than, and it shows you the closing one. Here, everything that I put here is going to be showing on the browser. Okay, so I'm going to show you right now. For example, if I write hello, it's going to show me hello. And I want to show you the live server, so it shows me what I write in real time. It says here open with live server. So what it does is that it's gonna open a website, the browser. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna make it a little bit smaller, and it shows me the hello. Okay, can you see it? This is what I wrote over here. So everything I write inside body, that's what's gonna appear in the browser. So for example, if I say here, let me just make it a little bit smaller over here. If I write goodbye, for example, and I save, I always need to save so I can see it on the website. If you're using this option that I was showing you, the live server, if you're not using this text editor, I'm going to show you how you can visualize what you write. So I write goodbye, control, and I push control and then S is going to change the message. Everything that goes in body, that's what's going to show in the browser. For example, I say I am Ivan. Look, it's inside the body. Look, this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Look, the closing tag has a slash. It's got the less than sign, slash, greater than sign, and the name of the element. So usually you need to write it twice. First to open it, and to open it you're not using a slash, but to close it you're using a slash. So if I say I am Ivan, period, and I save, it's gonna show me that I am Ivan. Of course, you can also do this with another text editor, but I prefer this one because it makes life easier. You can use many tricks, you can use many shortcuts. So for example, I'm going to show you with the regular notepad. You can actually use the notepad, bloc de notas in Spanish, to write your code, but it's going to take longer. It's going to take way longer. Okay, but that's what I'm going to show you in the next video. All right, so thank you for watching this second video.